Hey, what's up, car enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something absolutely legendary to talk about, the 2025 Chevrolet L88. The L88 name has a serious legacy tied to Corvette royalty, but this 2025 version takes it to a whole new level. Is it the ultimate track monster or the king of muscle cars? Let's dive into every detail, from its killer exterior to the beastly engine under the hood. Stick around, because you don't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with the design. The 2025 Chevrolet L88 is nothing short of a visual powerhouse. The aggressive stance is unmistakable, wide, low, and absolutely menacing. It's got that classic Corvette vibe, but with modern twists. Up front, the sharp LED headlights give the car a futuristic look while maintaining that signature Corvette flair. The sculpted hood isn't just for show either. It's designed with massive air vents to keep the engine cool at high speeds. Take a look at the side profile, and you'll notice the sleek, aerodynamic lines. The lightweight carbon fiber bodywork not only reduces weight but gives the L88 that perfect balance between form and function. The rear? Oh, Chevrolet didn't skimp here. Quad exhaust tips, a large rear diffuser, and that iconic Corvette badge. It's pure automotive art. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit that screams performance. The 2025 L88 blends luxury and race-ready elements seamlessly. Premium leather seats with racing harnesses hug your body tight, and they're ventilated too, so you stay cool while carving corners on the track. Now, check out the tech. The infotainment system is packed with the latest tech, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But the best part? A dedicated performance data recorder so you can relive every lap you tear up. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the heart of the 2025 Chevrolet L88. Under that sculpted hood lies a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that cranks out a mind-boggling 750 horsepower. That's right, 750 horses ready to roar. The L88 is all about raw, unfiltered power. Whether you're launching off the line or cruising down the highway, this thing is an absolute monster. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, gear changes are lightning fast, giving you the power when you need it, right when you hit the throttle. 0 to 60? Well, we're talking sub 3 seconds, folks. And for those who love the track, the active suspension system ensures you're glued to the road, hugging every corner with precision. So, what do you think of the 2025 Chevrolet L88? This isn't just a car. It's a piece of American muscle history reborn with cutting-edge tech and performance. Drop a comment below and let us know. Is this the ultimate Corvette for 2025? Or is there another car you've got your eyes on? Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe for more car reviews and first looks at the hottest releases.